This has been a great day's managering for me. Nova's going to sing the song for the next Jenny Forever movie.
Shh.
So long as you got.
Yes, they agreed to buy you a teddy bear the size of a house.
With pyjamas on? Like I'd forget.
Who's the lady driving the car?
Jenny Forever!
Have I asked that before?
It's okay, Captain. I get confused with the stories sometimes too, and...
Oh, wow! Agent E has found the secret evidence that Bigglesnoot's a traitor!
Jenny should not go to a secret meeting in those trousers. Total spy trousers. This guy's got to know who she is right away.
But did you also learn that I love you?
Johnny! Stop the film!
Nova!
Johnny's in films? He's a movie star now?
He's in one scene.
Make me a film star now. I'm Nova Jones. I'm the original triple threat. I can sing, I can dance, and...
Can't act.
Oh, what do I hoo-ha?
You're really, really bad. Look.
And the heroes flew down to the rescue, and it was so exciting that the villagers all cheered and they forgot about the ruins of their city because...
There, see? That was perfect. Tomorrow, you're going to make Triple Threat Nova a movie star.
No. I don't want to do that this week. You're obviously a bad actor, and this would be a disaster. So...
Hey there.
Hello.
Hello, Johnny. Hello, Malcolm.
This is still the film.
Did you see the Jenny Forever film? Isn't Johnny great in it?
Oh, Malcolm.
You're a scene stealer. Stealing scenes, stealing hearts. So, Nova, Mac, we just wanted to say, do you want to come to the after party?
No.
After party? After what?
After Johnny wins Best Cameo at the Oscars, he's all set to win. All it takes is talent and top drawer manager.
Cancel call!
I'm going to make you a movie star. Nothing can stop Triple Threat Nova.
Weather controls deactivated in corridor 12.
Oh, is Nova rehearsing for a movie?
I managed to get her a scene in the next Jenny Forever film, so I hired an acting coach.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
Don't laugh. You know Nova can't laugh at herself.
She can't act either. Unless is she actually playing a wooden door.
No tea, but, when I pressed the button for the tea, it turned off the weather controls in corridor 12.
I suppose I'll have to fix that while I'm here, too. No tea. Imagine. I'm fixing it.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
I cannot do it! You cannot act.
You're being overdramatic.
Yes, and... one word at a time, then. I'll teach you to repeat. You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. No, do it all.
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. No!
Look, Nova might be a bit rusty, but she's the most charismatic music star in the universe. There must be some way she can beat Johnny and achieve her deep spiritual acting goal.
It's hopeless. She's helpless.
Wait, I know who will have some wisdom for us. Kid songwriter!
Nova.
KS, I need to achieve my dream of being a triple threat. Sing, dance, and now act. Help me.
Nova. The song of achievement is built from the notes of inspiration, the chords of hard work, and underneath, a beat, the rhythm of a raw talent.
See, I just need to work hard.
No, you should give up.
I should what, Blop?
Stick to singing and dancing. You're great at those.
Finally, some sense.
These girls are crazy.
Nova, it's okay not to be good at something.
I don't think I've ever seen him walk anywhere. Right, Nova, you're filming your Big Jenny Forever scene in an hour. You can do the sensible thing, stick to singing and cancel the scene, or...
And action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous.
No. This isn't a rehearsal. Full performance, please. Action!
You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. Will there be a secret superhero base behind me? Because I said I wanted my character to be super.
She's a meteorologist.
a weather scientist.
But she could be a super-powered meteorologist.
Whatever. If it helps you, just do the line.
Incredible acting.
That's it. That's the take. Cut. Print.
Wait, what?
Wait. Sal Pacino, you're in the movie. That was perfect line delivery. Nova Jones, I'm sorry, but you're fired. Please never act again.
Righty-ho, done.
You fixed the vending machine.
Nope, working on it. Thanks to the borrowed wires, though, the projector's sorted, and this is nearly... Oh, tomato and mint.
Writer?
Kid songwriter, how? What is your name, oh desperate busker?
They call me Kid, oh radiant one.
Well, Kid, you should work for me. You shall be my songwriter, and I will call you Kid Songwriter. Here, take this piano.
Nova, I was a hit songwriter when you met me. I had 5 pianos.
Cut! Okay, crew, scene 22. Kid Songwriter tells me my film is totally accurate. Gah!
Are we going to have to get used to him just walking places? Nova, enough. I've got swept up in this rivalry too, but we can't rewrite the world to suit us. Not just to beat Malcolm and Jonarchy. You can't act, so just accept that and do everything you're brilliant at.
I just want to stop people laughing at my acting by acting at them super hard.
But imagine how great it would be to just chuckle along, to learn to laugh at yourself. If you can't do the thing, just giggle. It's fine not to be the best at every single thing.
Not for me. I have to be the best.
She has the feels. Did I really say that?
I am now so full of feelings and emotions.
Oh my vlog, this is funny. I'm so bad at acting. So bad.
So bad.
Brilliantly terrible.
Here, am I supposed to be doing something here or what?
I'm super sorry about how I've treated you guys. This was meant to be my masterpiece. I can't act, and the whole universe is seeing this live.
See? Being a double threat is plenty. You're the biggest star in the sky.
Who cares if I don't win an award for this one thing, right?
And the award for the best comedy goes to... She's a genius. It's Nova Jones!
Thank you, Jonarchy. Won his own award tonight. Isn't he talented?
Amazing comedy, Mac. The manager scene's so funny. As if Nova could succeed without you.
Oh, no. My sister's got a lot of hidden talents.
I'm the winner! Best funniness, top words,